monkeys have such large assets that. Is that why you're having trouble to build your building your build right now, Pi?
No, no, I'm not trying trouble building. I'm saying
It's
after
because
the
the assets are
build.
too large, right?
No, no, I'm saying after the build, the characters are like they don't. Yeah, they're just wrong.
Oh.
Like have you tried it? Have you tried actually like building and running in Unity?
No.
Like
The key
really?
for the
Okay.
introduction ice cream level is that I need 3 towers. The reason you must be asking me, why do I want to have 3 towers? Well, the answer is because I want each tower to have the ability to take out one of the subsequent ice cream cones. So to do that, I need to have somewhat space between each of the towers and also have them like, the option to hit each one of the colors. So how do I do that?
That
So
sounds
this
exciting.
this is where the ice cream cone will get its a start. So basically, the enemies will pass by the tower once, going through this area. Then they'll pass by a second time, so that a player has 2 chances to get rid of the first and the second part of the cone. And then when they pass by the bottom, they have a third chance. And there's going to be 3 different hammer colors, so that we can stack the ice cream with whatever scoops you want. So anyone out there that likes ice cream, this might be the level for you. Content. Wow, look at the audio. It's in the game now. That's pretty awesome. I'm going to press play. I'm going to enter the first level. Oh, if I only went there faster. And then here we are in the first level. We start off with a couple of red enemies and yellow enemy for the end, just to make sure you know that there's different colors kill different things. So now our monkeys are ready. We go on to the next level, and now we alternate. So I want players to understand that there's a pattern to do things. They can kill different enemies at a different cadence. And the last thing I wanted to teach was mixing up the cadence. I don't want people only to be going right, left, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. So I did a couple of reds in a row. So this requires teammates to get a bunch of hammers together.
Sure. What you got?
So this level is going to be an ice cream cone level anyways. Right now we have like the default monkeys and spider running down it, but they're going to be going all the way around, and there's going to be only area of effect kind of ammo as the ice cream cones move around this level. So you have to, be kind of careful, but you also can get value by getting 2 or more at the same time, but the cones have to be at the right height. So you can do some cool calculations. You can crossplay too, but also there's going to be a lot of collisions because you're walking a lot on the pathway that the enemies are walking on. So you gotta be careful of how you get to the tower. And it seems a little confusing because they're all looping, but they're all making very sane turns here. So it should be exciting as they cross over near the end. So
Let's see what happens here. This should work. This should work. I wonder how many times in a stream I say this should work and it doesn't. Okay, and now this should just work. Okay, okay, so there we go. It's up, it's alive. Let's go! Please work. You ready for some magic? I'm gonna play and hopefully things just worked. Here's my magic. It's gonna work. We're gonna make it work. Fingers crossed. Wait, did that just work? Oh, it didn't apply. Okay, that's why. Sorry about that. But yeah, so I realized why I go to the bathroom so much. It's because I drink a lot of water, obviously. But the reason is, whenever I get stuck, I drink. Like, you know, like how some people like they do different things when they get stuck. Like some people when they get stuck, they like touch their nose or like scratch their head. For me, when I get stuck, I drink water. I'm like, I know what to do. And then obviously while I'm coding on stream, I get stuck like every 3 seconds. So then that means I drink water every 3 seconds, which means I drink a crap ton of water, and that's why I need to go to the bathroom so much. I can either go the color everything approach, like the hammers here. Every single hammer is colored. Or I could do the nothing is colored, like the clouds, and then color them programmatically. I don't want to do half and half because that just means I have to have well, it just makes the code more messy and harder to maintain. And you know, when you got a project with quickly changing requirements, you really want to simplify everything. So you really want one solution for everything, and that is the problem. Is I either want to go one or the other. I don't want to go both. We still gotta have fun with paper fan games. The P in paper the so in paper fan games, the P is for pie, the G is for gang, but the F is for fun.